My name is Dr. Vineet Govindra Gupta, MBBS, MD and DM from AIIMS New Delhi, and I am a medical oncologist or cancer specialist working in Delhi. So friends, today we are going to talk about one very important issue which is often neglected when it comes to the field of cancer, and that is cancer in men. So in fact, you might have noticed that there is a lot of attention on female cancers, which is required also, like breast or ovarian cancer, but in this oftentimes the importance of male cancer is missed. And if we talk about the most important cancer of men in India, the top 5 causes of cancer in men in India include head and neck cancer, that is cancer of the mouth, throat and nasal passages, and lung cancer, which is cancer of the lung, which is mainly caused by smoking, and prostate cancer, which is a cancer of a male organ called prostate, which is located in the pelvis. So today I am going to tell you, men, what you can do to prevent and reduce your risk of cancer. So there are few basic guidelines you can follow as men to reduce your risk of cancer. First of all, most importantly, you should quit smoking, because tobacco, whether it is in the smoked form or chewed form, is responsible for the majority of male cancers, most importantly being the entire head and neck aerodigestive tract, as well as lung cancer, which is one of the most important cancer facing men in India, which is mainly because of high smoking rate among men in India. The second thing which you can do to prevent cancer is screening. So friends, when we talk about screening basically means testing somebody for early signs of cancer when they may not have any symptoms. So for example, classically, if you talk about women, we do mammography, which is a kind of X-ray of the breast, to look for early sign of breast cancer so that it can be caught and treated at an early stage. So you might not know that even males have option of screening for cancer. For men who are over the age of 45 or 50, there is a blood test called PSA or prostate specific antigen, and together with examination by a doctor, it can help in catching early signs of prostate cancer and treating or curing it before it becomes a serious problem. For lung cancer, for patients who are heavy smokers, that is men who have smoked for more than 30 years or are actively smoking and who have that risk of developing lung cancer, there is a test called low dose CT scan, which is done once a year to look for the risk of early small tumor present in the lung so that they can be caught in time and treated before they become a serious problem. And for men who are heavy users of tobacco or chewing tobacco, you should get your mouth and nasal cavity and throat cavity checked by a doctor or ENT specialist once a year to look for early signs of patches or marks or ulcers which can lead to cancer in the near future. So it is very important to remember that cancer can be prevented in males also. One more important way males can prevent cancer is by vaccinating themselves against hepatitis B, which is an important cause of liver cancer in our country. So men who have not been vaccinated for hepatitis B should undergo vaccination for hepatitis B at the earliest. And finally, you can reduce your risk of cancer by maintaining a healthy body weight and undergoing regular exercise and eating healthy non-processed foods. So that's my message to all men, and wish you the best of health always. Thank you.